How to turn on low power mode on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on battery. You will then be taken to the battery settings page. On this page, you can view your battery percentage, battery health, and manage other battery settings as well. You can also view the battery usage by app below. Now, go to the low power mode feature as shown and turn it on. Low power mode temporarily reduces background activity like downloads and mail fetch until you can fully charge your iPhone. You have now successfully turned on low power mode. This setting will help your phone save more energy. You can always turn off this feature whenever you want. Following these steps, you can easily turn on low power mode on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.